How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can factory reset your Gotrax scooter. Now, there's different models out there. There's basically the non-LCD models, and there's one with some LCD. If you're using the LCD model, you just want to navigate through the display setting, and basically you could go ahead and see the reset button. But if not, you could go ahead and try the next step on both models out there, which genuinely works for most of the models on Gotrax. So to do this, just go ahead and press the power button for around 5 seconds while it is powered on. Once again, you want to go ahead and do this while the device is on. And then from there, after the display is completely blacked out, you can just go ahead and release the power key button, and then this will simply reset the scooter itself. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.